Imagine a place where you are surrounded by the mist-covered lush green mountain ranges meet the sky, being drenched in the rain and sounds of the wind's whispers. Trekking in the forest with water streams crossing the path, or the adrenaline rush 4x4 jeep off-road. If you want to do all these, then welcome to Kyathanamakki Hills, nestled in Chikmaglur district of Karnataka. Kyatanamakki, also known as Gali Gudda, is a viewpoint which gives the stunning 360-degree view of Kudremukh mountain ranges, lush green meadow-covered mountains interspersed with thick forests. Being known for its spectacular viewpoints and serene environment, it serves as a perfect getaway from the hustle and bustle of city life, offering a peaceful retreat amid nature. The hill station is also an excellent spot for stargazing due to its clear skies and minimal light pollution. It's a perfect destination for nature enthusiasts and photographers. You can reach the viewpoint either through the trekking or through the 4x4 jeep off-road. The trek to Kyathanamakki Peak is a memorable adventure suitable for both beginners and experienced trekkers. The trail winds through dense forests, open grasslands and rugged terrains, offering a diverse scenery and occasional wildlife sightings. The trek rewards adventurers with stunning views from the summit and a sense of accomplishment. Trekkers must carry essential gears including sturdy shoes to protect from the leeches during monsoon season, water and snacks. Safety precautions like adhering to designated routes and hiking in groups enhance the experience. Please be extra cautious to bring back all the plastics and please don't throw there only. Adventurous jeep ride takes you to this amazingly beautiful nature's marvel. You can take your vehicle till the Kyatanamakki hotel point, which is about 6 kilometers from the Horanadu Sri Annapurneshwari temple, where you can hire a jeep to the viewpoint, which costs around 2000 rupees. Or if you have your own 4x4 off-road vehicle, then with minimal forest entry charges is 50 rupees per person, you can embark an exhilarating off-road experience. Kyatanamakki Hills is well connected by roads. If you are driving from Bangalore, it's about 300 kilometers journey that takes around 6 to 7 hours. The route via National Highway 75 and State Highway 27 is scenic and offers beautiful views. The nearest airport to reach Kyatanamakki is Bangalore International Airport, located approximately 130 kilometers away. The closest railway station is Chikmaglur railway station, located approximately 80 kilometers away from Kyatanamakki Hills. The ideal time to visit Kyatanamakki Hills is between October and March. The weather is pleasant during these months, perfect for outdoor activities and sightseeing. But if you want to explore true beauty of this nature's marvel, then plan your visit during monsoon season, which turns terrain into heaven. One can also visit Horanadu Sri Annapurneshwari temple, which is located about 6 kilometers from Kyatanamakki Hills. Sringeri Sri Sharada Peeta is about 35 kilometers from the Kyatanamakki Hills and is known for its architectural beauty and spiritual significance. And Kudremukh, which is about 40 kilometers from the Kyatanamakki Hills. Thank you.